These are the funniest sound effect pranks. Bro will never recover from this. There's no way this really happened. Doing this at 3 a.m. on Sunday is wild. You won't expect what happens in this one.